Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I am so happy you're here. I'm Lisa. Today I have a great video for you, but before we get started, I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you to Queen Bee. She said, hey people, look at this channel, and it was mine, and I was so shocked and so thankful. And for everybody that has subscribed from Queen Bee, thank you so much, and I just want you to know I subscribe back at you. So thanks for being here. I really appreciate it. It means the world. Okay, for today's video, we are talking last minute July 4th ideas. Maybe you weren't planning on hosting July 4th, or maybe you didn't think you would have the money to do a little decorating or whatever. So I'm going to give you some last minute ideas that you can throw together and will be a lot of fun. We'll just start with this small table centerpiece. This is a small table. It seats 4. But this is a great centerpiece. And what I did was I used the white tray that I used in all of my winter, holiday, Christmas tablescapes. And I'll link that video above. So it's the same white tray from that. It has a 4th of July, 2 4th of July lays on it from the Dollar Tree. And I got these great little glass mason jar candle holders. They're supposed to be candle holders at Dollar Tree, and I got a blue one and a red one. They go perfect on this little white tray. Very, very July 4th. If you had something similar, you could do this. I mean, any glass or whatever you have will work. Could even be plastic is fine. And that's perfect right there. I just threw on the lace because I thought it just needed a little something extra. So this is perfect for this table. Now, if you had a bigger table and you're gonna have to pretend that this table grows, then this would be in the center, but you might still need something on each end. So I'm gonna give you some ideas for that too. Whoops. So one, you could put this sign. Again, it's from Dollar Tree. If you don't like Dollar Tree, look at Target, Walmart, whatever. So you could put this sign on one end to give it some height, okay? And this is going to be a little smushed. Remember, my table didn't actually grow. So you could put that on one end to give it some height. Have this. And that would be fine. You could scoot that down. That would be good. Or if your table is really big, take this away. And you probably would want to have a bigger centerpiece. So what I did was I just took a glass bowl I owned. I filled it with some red shred, white cotton balls, and then a big blue thick lay, which is from Dollar Tree's summer collection. And then I got these plastic, these were actually like little water bottles. I filled them with some blue sand from Dollar Tree. I did 2 candles from Dollar Tree, and there you go. There is a great tablescape, or table set, not setting, a table centerpiece for a bigger table for 4th of July. And like I said, I ran to Dollar Tree, and I'm using a lot of what I already had. Sorry, my head's cut off. I'm using a lot of what I already had. I'm using a lot from my Christmas tablescape video. But you get the idea. Now, you don't need to see all of me. If you don't want this showing, maybe you want to say what's on your menu. I just painted the back with some chalkboard paint, and you could write on there, what your menu is for the day. That's, I would love to do that. I think it's fun. Another thing, if you're having white silverware, if you're having plastic white silverware and you have some red and blue washi tapes, maybe take them and just wrap them around the handle just at the tip, and just to make it a little more festive. It's super easy because you'll already have your washi tape, and the plastic silverware is going to go in the trash anyway. So why not make it, fit the theme of the day? And you can mix and match all these table centerpieces. You could just take out the big bowl if you didn't want to do something so big. Oh, I did want to say too though, don't worry about the cotton balls in the red shred going to waste. Those are going to go in a Ziploc bag, and I'll pull it out Christmas and use it in a bowl to decorate. So I'm always trying to think of ways to reuse decorations. That way it saves me money and time. Now you could just leave these in the center if you wanted to and take away everything if you're going to have a big food. If you can leave just these in the center if you're going to have a lot of food. That way everybody can eat. There's a lot of room for the food, but you still have a hint of decoration as well. Okay. Now let's pretend this isn't a dining table anymore. Maybe it's by your front door when everybody's walking in, okay? I have a cute idea for you. So by your front door, set up a table, because I don't have a table by my front door. Set up a table and set up a sign. And in my bowl here, I have a fun disposable camera. Buy as many or as few as you want. Put them in the bowl, and on your sign put, take a camera, take pictures, and leave it in the box by the front door on your way out. And I mean, if you have 10 cameras, you're gonna have 10 different people taking pictures. And think about it, you always look for certain things to take pictures. You kind of have a pattern. Everybody does. It's just who we are. So by giving different people that come to your home and to celebrate the 4th with you a camera, you're gonna get all these different perspectives. And then just tell them, hey, you don't have to develop it. It's all me. Throw it in the box on your way out. They'll throw it in the box. Then you go get them all developed, and you're gonna have such a great memory from the 4th. And hold on to it though. We'll come back to this, okay? Great, set up a table by your front door. Tell them, take a camera, take all the pictures, and then drop it by the box drop it in the box on your way out or when you're done, okay? Now on another table or area in your home, you can use 3 little buckets, 3 bowls, whatever you have. Again, these are my little, what do you call these? Aluminum buckets from my Christmas video, and I have filled them with red pens, blue pens, and paper, okay? And then you could take one of the, you get 3 Lays in a bunch when you buy these, by the way, at Dollar Tree. You can take your Lays and kind of, you know, wrap them around your metal buckets, okay? Something like that. And then you have a pretty decor, but you also have, like I said, you'll put your sign, and you can say, take a pen, any pen, take a piece of paper, write your favorite July 4th memory down on it, either from today or July 4th past, okay? And then drop it in the box by the front door on your way out, or drop it in the box by the back door on your way out, whatever it is. So then, do you get where you're going with this? You're gonna have pictures from everybody taking pictures. You're gonna have everybody's memories. This is a great opportunity to make some awesome Christmas gifts. If you have brothers and sisters and they're there for this, you know, make enough picture copies, make copies of all these, and create a journal or a scrapbook or a photo album and give it to them for Christmas. If their children want copies, it's their responsibility to make them copies, not yours. That's how we do it in my family. I always make my mom something, and the aunts, like a birthday calendar. I did birthday calendars. And I would make one for my mom and her sisters and brothers. Then if their adult kids wanted one, they would be responsible for their own kids' copies. So this is great, because then you end up with photos and memories. Think about it. It's a cool idea. So anyway, I hope you liked this video today. Again, thank you, Queen Bee, for sending people my way. It is so much appreciated. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. I hope you have a happy 4th. Please take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.